Hi guys, welcome to Gladi Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to buy USDT on Binance app. So if you don't have Binance app and you wish to buy a USDT from Binance app, the first thing you have to do is to make sure you download it through your Play Store app or your App Store, and depending on your device. The next thing is to launch it this way, and then the next thing you have to do is to tap on portfolio. Sometimes it's been written as asset or wallet. So let me tap on it. So this is my portfolio. The next thing I have to do is to tap on add fund. So the next thing I have to do is to tap buy with USD. So now I'll choose the currency which I want to buy with, which is USD. So tap on this and enter the amount. Tap on buy. So now you can buy with any of this. Either you buy with your money broker or your perfect money or your card, Visa or MasterCard. Then tap on confirm to complete the transaction. So guys, if this video was helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, share, and then hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. I do videos on app related issue on how to make money online. Thanks for watching.